We started as a Quebec City company, which was acquired by Olympus in 2005. We are now a division of OSSA, which stands for Olympus Scientific Solutions of America. OSSA has 3 sites, 2 in the US and 1 in Canada. The Quebec site is mainly working on non-destructive testing for the last 30+ years. Our technologies include ultrasound and eddy current.
It all started almost 1 year ago. We thought about automation right away. We installed and implement a robot, and this allowed us to work on night shift and weekend shift. We quickly realized that when we came back on Monday, we were having a lot of parts to inspect. We decided to implement with this automated cell or equipment and a system, inspection system, many things on the market, but we decided quickly to go with the Equator because it was reliable, it was stable and easy to implement at a low cost. So it was an easy choice to make.
Right after being contacted by Olympus, we have worked collaboratively to determine what's the best measurement solution for their need. They wanted to have automation and process feedback. The Equator 300 was a perfect solution to solve all of these problems and also give them a very fast return on investment.
We have seen many improvements. Our goal is to automate the maximum our manufacturing step in our processes, be autonomous, meaning no human intervention. We are at the very beginning of this project, but we increased our machine capacity by almost 30% per week during the night and the weekend. Benefits are great. We reach our goals and improve our manufacturing processes with the Renishaw product under professional support. The implementation was easy and timely, reduced downtime of our machine and reduced a lot the cost of non-quality.